Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm headed to Popeyes and I'm trying their sweet heat butterflied shrimp exclusively for you. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here, we are parked. I've got my bag. I've got my sweet heat butterflied shrimp from Popeyes, which ran me $5 and change. And I got a side order of mashed potatoes because it's been quite a while since I tried their mashed potatoes, or had them. For that, I've had them before actually, so we're going to try them again, guys. All right. Let me take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed close-up. Alrighty, and here it is in all of its butterflied glory. Popeye's new sweet heat butterflied shrimp. And we got the customary biscuit, which feels really, really nice. It looks very, very fresh. And I can smell it from here. It is absolutely fantastic. And I've got my mashed potatoes, guys. Now, I went with the mashed potatoes. Haven't had them in a while, so I thought I'd give them another shot. Check out those mashed potatoes. They got some gravy on them. Looks really good. And here they are, the main event. The butterflied sweet heat butterflied shrimp. All right, let's give it a shot, and I'll tell you exactly what I think. Okay, guys, I do love mashed potatoes, so I am going to check out the mashed potatoes first. And I got my spork, which is a really cool invention. Alright. Mashed potatoes look good. Nice and creamy. Alright. First bite, wish me luck. Salute. Very, very creamy. They are definitely packing a little bit of spicy heat. A little more mashed potatoes. Very, very creamy. Very potatoey. Melt in your mouth. The gravy itself, it's really, really good. It's got a nice kick to it. Great, great combination. Their gravy is really good. All right. And here is the shrimp, guys. See that? And they look pretty freaking shrimpy. All right. I could smell the honey. I smell the sweetness. I do smell the breading. All right, guys. I'm going in. First bite. Main event. Wish me luck. Salute. Very interesting. Well, here we go, guys. Number one, there is an incredible amount of breading on these shrimp. You know, the shrimp are very, very small. They have a consistency of very, very mushy inside. When you bite into a shrimp, there's got to be a snap. And these are very mushy, which indicates to me that they've been frozen. And, yeah, just an incredible amount of breading. It's just, these things are very, very small. And you're considering that you got a little bit of the shell here. You're getting all this breading and a little bit of shrimp. So let me see if I could take this apart and show you the actual amount of breading as compared to this very, very puny. Like, look at all of this. Can you see that? And look at that. That is the shrimp you're getting. And I don't think they have shrimp this small. Well, maybe that's why they call them shrimp, guys. They're kind of small. All right. Yeah. This is very, very mushy. It's really not that great. Very mushy. Not much flavor to it. And really what the problem is, guys, I live on Long Island. Long Island is surrounded by water. So in terms of getting seafood, we get the very best here. And we do eat a lot of shrimp in my family. We have shrimp cocktail. You know, we have fried shrimp, and I do have to say, I am very, very spoiled and biased. This, in terms of comparing it to fresh that I could get in the market and I could make at home, this is absolutely horrible. I would not really waste any money in trying this. Now, there are the people within the continental United States that live in a landlocked area, okay, like maybe Phoenix, Arizona, Indiana. Now, you guys may not have access to fresh shrimp, and this may be the best thing that you have. So, with that said, I still can't even recommend it. If you're landlocked and you don't have fresh shrimp, I would go to the frozen food section of my local supermarket, and I would get a bag of frozen shrimp, and I would eat that in lieu of getting something like this. And you saw my demonstration that it is a very, very large amount of breading, and I think that the star should be the shrimp. So as a result, guys, the potatoes and the gravy are absolutely fantastic. I'm giving them a rock solid 9+ all day. The shrimp itself is absolutely horrible. I can't recommend it. Don't go out and try it. It's a lot of breading, and I'm giving it a rock solid, you know what? I'm giving it a rock solid 3. Why a 3? I have no idea. It sounded good. A 3 it is. The bottom line is, don't waste your time or money on this brand new Popeyes offering. All right, that was my review. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Take care. God bless. Until next time, so long. Tell you the truth, guys, I'm not even going to eat this. I usually, after a wrap, I usually eat everything, but in this case, not today. But I do like their potatoes. I do taste a little cayenne. I taste, a little bit of butter. These are really good, guys. The potatoes all day. I'll take the potatoes over the shrimp all day. All right, guys, take care.